Hello friends, welcome you all for Transcore presentation. I'm Elali. Today I'm here to explain you about how this Transcore platform will perform and how we can earn millions of trons by investing a very small amount of trons in this platform. Let's have a look into vision and mission of this plan. This plan was created by Mr. Himmat Khan sir. He is from India and he is currently serving for Indian military army. Simultaneously, he created a cryptocurrency smart contract and deployed in blockchain technology and helping maximum people who are really in need of financial support. His main motto was to provide financial freedom to each and every individual of this community, my dear friends. Hope you all having basic cryptocurrency idea. Major cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, my dear friends. Around 60 to 65% is contributing by Bitcoin itself. Currently, Bitcoin price is 40 to 45 lakh Indian rupees. In dollars, you can say that 56,000 to $60,000, my dear friend. Similarly, another cryptocurrency, second largest cryptocurrency, it is Ethereum, my dear friends. Current price of Ethereum is 1.3 lakh to 4 lakh rupees, Indian rupees, my dear friends. In dollars, it will be 1,800 to $2,000 for one Ethereum. Similarly, one of the most widely using cryptocurrency is Tron, my dear friends. Its current price is 0.06 to $0.07. In Indian rupees, it is 4.5 to 5 rupees, my dear friends. Means we can offer this cryptocurrency of Bitcoin or Ethereum we can't offer right now because of its high price. Tron is our affordable price and we can buy it and hold it for long term. In future, this will also boom like Ethereum or Bitcoin so that we can make very good money from this cryptocurrency. So we can earn huge millions of trons by this platform. Let's have look into this platform. This platform created by so many experienced professional networkers, my dear friends, all together combined, and Mr. Himmat Khan sir created this unique platform for all of us. So let's have a look of advantage of this Transcore platform. It is completely decentralized platform, my dear friends, and there will be no admins in this platform. It is 100% verified contract and it will run based on algorithmics, my dear friends. Once they have created algorithmics and deployed in blockchain, automatically it will run, my dear friend. Nobody is their control for this contract. Next, what is the plan? What is the matrix plan? This transcore has 2 by 8 binarical matrix, my dear friends. In this, entries are filled from top to bottom and left to right. How this top to bottom? There are 7 levels. Consider example, you are at the top, you will be having left one id and right one id, that is level 1, my dear friends. And similarly, a left side a person will have another two and b person will have another two candidates, so that will be level 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Total this 7 level structures will give us maximum income, my dear friends. So whatever you provide referrals, whatever you refer to new friends, that all will come to your 7 level only. There will be no any other structure for you. So there is 7 level structure and you will earn maximum income from this structure. And this platform ensure that each and every community members will receive maximum income from this structure. So let's have a look into the complete plan. In this platform, we will be investing 900 trons, my dear friends. 900 trons is approximately Indian rupees. It will be 4,500 to 5,000 rupees as of current price. In dollars, it will be around 50 to $60, my dear friends. Suppose I'm investing 900 trons in this Transcore platform. I will be getting a unique ID, a referral link, you can say that. From that referral link, I will be referring unlimited friends. There is no condition for referrals here, my dear friends. Just as an example, I'm here referring here is two members. In this platform, only working peoples are allowed, my dear friends. If you are an investor, if you want to invest and get maximum returns, then this platform is not meant for you, my dear friends. Only those who are in need of financial support, those who are really ready to work with this platform, those people are suggested this platform. So this platform is 100% working plan. In this example, I'm just taking an example as two. You are referring two friends. Here you can go that, suppose you at the top place and you are referring a candidate, you will be getting 100% referral income. And you are simultaneously referring one more friend B, from that also you will be getting 900 TRX. Means 100% referral income you will be receiving by referring two candidates. This is the condition, my dear friends. Here there are three types of income sources are available. The first one is 100% referral income. You can refer unlimited friends. And second one is sponsor income, my dear friends. The sponsor income is 60%. And the third one is 40% placement income, we can say that, or level income, you can say that. How we will get this sponsor and level income? For that we will have upgrade here, my dear friends. You can see here is fifth column, there is a upgrade here is. In upgrade you see that 1200 is the second level, 2800 is the 2800 is the third level, 9000 tron is the fourth level, 25,000 is the fifth level, 50,000 is the sixth level, and 1 lakh tron is the seventh level, my dear friends. These are the levels, complete 7 level. Each level you will be upgraded by earning this platform, my dear friends. No extra amount you will be investing from your pocket. Only 900, whatever you invested in the starting, that itself is investment, my dear friends. That is one time investment. In this example you referred, see here first one, you are making id with 900 trons and referring to in team, and in turnover you can see that 1800 trons you will be receiving from two candidates. In that you will be using 1200 trons for upgrading to second level and keeping 600 trons as profit in your pocket. This is the first level, my dear friends. There is no extra burden. Whatever you are earning from the system, that one you are using for upgrading to next levels. Our objective is to go seventh level. If you go seventh level, then your total income, you can see, my dear friends, here I have made it in yellow, 1 crore 67 lakh 85,400 trons, my dear friends. 16 million trons you can earn in just span of 2 to 3 months, my dear friends. No need of extra month. I don't need your complete 6 month or 1 year or lifetime. So many people will say that you just committed to 5 years, I will make you millionaire. I just say here, my dear friends, 2 to 3 months. If you are really potential networker or leader, then you will make a 254 team structure and you will be earning complete this 167854000 trons. 16 million trons you can make, my dear friends. Here I am just taking an example of two, and you are upgrading to 1200 second level and keeping 600 trons in your pocket as profit. And similarly 1200 is upgraded 4 members of your team, then your turnover will be 4800. You will be receiving total 4800. You are upgrading with 2800, again you will be receiving 2000 tons as profit, my dear friends. Similarly in third level, 8 members will be upgraded by 2800. You will be receiving total 22,400 tons. In that you will be upgrading with 9000 and keeping 13,400 tons as your profit. And in fourth level, 9000 is upgraded by 16 members. You will be receiving 1,44,000 trons. In that you just giving 25,000 for upgrading to fifth level and keeping 1,19,000 trons as 400 trons as profit. And similarly 25,000 level is upgraded by 32 members. You will be receiving 8 lakh trons. In that 50,000 you will be keeping with, you will be upgrading for sixth level and keeping 7.5 lakh trons as profits. And similarly 50,000 level means around 6th level upgraded by 64 members, you will be receiving 32 lakh, and giving 1 lakh for upgrade to 7th level, and keeping 31 lakhs keeping 31 lakhs as your profit. And similarly, last level friends, 1 lakh level upgraded by 128 members, you will not be upgrading any level because 7 level is completed. Complete 1 lakh 28,000 trons you will be receiving. Complete income will be 1 crore 67 lakh 85,400 trons friends. In this, two split will be there, that is 60% and 40%. In 60% you will be receiving approximate 1 cr trx, and in level income you will be receiving 67 lakh, almost 6.7 million trons you will be receiving. So I will show in figure, my dear friends. It will be very helpful for you to understand. This one you understood. So you are referring A and B, and you will be getting 100% referral income. And the second level, similarly friends, you are informing same thing to your friends, A friend and B friend. A friend is referring A1 and A2, B friend referring B1 and B2. In this, A person will be, before that whatever you received from these two candidates A and B, you will be upgrading with 1200 trx. And same thing you are informing to A and B. A is also upgrading 1200 and B is also upgrading with 1200. In that, you will be getting 1200, whatever level is upgraded by A person and B person. From that, you will be receiving 60% of 1200. That will be approximate 700 trons, my dear friend. 700 trons again from A friend, and 700 trons again from B friend. That is 60% sponsor income. Every time, whenever they upgrade to higher levels, you will be receiving 60% of that level income. That upgrade amount, suppose they are upgrading to 1200, then you will be receiving 60% of that 700. Suppose if they are upgrading with third level 2800, you will be receiving approximate 1600 to 1700 from each direct. So that's why I suggest you that you just give maximum direct, my dear friends. If you can give 10 directs, then just give 10 direct, because one direct referral will give approximate 1 lakh trx, my dear friends. Because you can see that here complete 7 level is there, 1200 to 1 lakh trx. This level will be upgraded by your direct referral candidate. You just help him to reach 7th level. Once he reaches 7th level, you will be getting every level 60% income. If you upgrade 1200, then you will be getting instantly 700. If you upgrade 2800, you will be getting 1600, 1700. If you upgrade with 9000, then you instantly will be getting 5000 to 6000 trons. If you upgrade 25,000 trons, then you will be getting approximate 12 to 15,000 trons. If he has upgraded with 50,000, you will be getting approximate 30,000 trons. And last level is, if he is upgraded with 1 lakh trx, you will be getting 60,000 trx, my dear friends. In 60,000 trx in Indian currency, I will say that approximately 3 lakh rupees, my dear friends. One candidate will give you approximate 1 lakh trx. In Indian INR rupees, it will be 5 lakh rupees, my dear friends. So that's why I suggest you give maximum direct referrals. So now I will explain you how placement or level income will work here. 40% level income. Here, A person is referring A1, A2, B person referring B1 and B2. In this, A1, A2, B1, B2 are also upgrading to second level. Those second level, A1, A2, from A1, A person will receive 60%. From A2, A person will receive 60%. So A1, A2 are upgrading to higher levels, second level. That's why A person receiving 60%, and whatever is the orange color, that UID will be receiving 40% from A1 and A2, B1 and B2, my dear friends. In here mention is there, just to see 1200 into 4 into 40%, it will be 1008 to 1824, my dear friends. So this is 40%. You are not doing anything here. Your team is working. Your who you don't know. You are not given A1. You don't know A1, A2 and B1, B2. Those are direct given by someone else. But you are still receiving 40%. This is the beauty of the system, my dear friends. Whether you are referring that guy or not, whether he is your direct or indirect, or some upline ID came here as a spillover, from that ID also you will be getting 40% as level income. Only condition is here that you have to upgrade your ID with 1200 before upgrading your teammates. If you upgrade your ID immediately, then you are eligible to get level income, my dear friends. Similarly, You are upgrading with 2800. In third level teammates, total 8 members will be upgrading with 2800. In that 40% you will be receiving approximate 8512 trons, my dear friends. So similarly, you are upgrading with 9000 first, and your fourth level friends, 16 members are upgrading with 9000 trons. You will be receiving approximate 54,720 TRX. And similarly, very important level, my dear friends, only condition is here that for up to 3 level you will be receiving very little bit amount or less income. After fourth level you can expect that very huge amount. And similarly in fifth level you can see that you are upgrading with 25,000 TRX, and similarly 32 friends are also upgrading with 25,000 TRX. You will be getting 3 lakh 4,000 TRX, my dear friends. And the last and the sixth level is 50,000 TRX. You are upgrading with 50,000 TRX, and also 64 members of your sixth level teammates upgrading with 50,000. Then you will be getting 12 lakh 16,000 TRX. And the last and the most important level, this is all our target, my dear friends. Here you are upgrading with 1 lakh TRX, and similarly you are informing all your seventh level teammates to upgrade with 1 lakh TRX. You will be getting 40% of that 1 lakh will be 48 lakh 64,000 TRX, my dear friends. This will be approximate, this only seventh level income itself will be approximate 2.5 crore Indian rupees, my dear friends. So this is all our target. So we need to focus and we need to help our teammates to reach this complete 7 level to get maximum income, my dear friends. If you are referring 10 directs, then you'll be getting 10 lakh additional TRX. If you are referring 100 directs, you will be receiving additional 100 lakh TRX, my dear friends. So give maximum direct. Okay. And most important, I will tell you that here, this platform, this whatever transfer platform will take you only 5% of creator charge, my dear friends. Whatever the complete platform is created, no, this platform takes only 5% of your upgrade amount, not your first level. Second level 1200 to 1 lakh TRF will be upgraded, no. From that level, whenever you upgrade from this sponsor 60% will be, you know, while distributing itself 5% will be deducted automatically by software. No need to pay extra, no need to pay any extra amount. Automatically software, if you are earning complete 1 crore 67 to 67 lakh 85,000 trons, my dear friends, in that you will be giving just 0.001%, my dear friends. No need to worry at all. Just creator just taking that minimum amount to maintenance for. Okay. Hope you all understood this plan. I am just as a conservative, I am just telling you that in 1 crore 67 lakh 85,000 trons, you are just doing work 10% of this plan, my dear friends. Only 10% you are successful in this plan. Still you will be getting 10 to 15 lakh trons, my dear friends. This will be approximately 50 to 60 lakh rupees, Indian rupees. So it's a very good amount, my dear friends. Very, very less. You are just investing 900 TRX, and same thing you are informing to your friends. Whoever you are informing your friends, please suggest them that to minimum refer two candidates. If you are not able to refer minimum two candidates, then this platform is not made for you. So kindly, I suggest you people that my first condition will be he should be ready to take risk of 900 TRX, and he should be ready to refer maximum people, and he should ready to get maximum knowledge of cryptocurrency and this platform, my dear friends. Because once he educated, then only he can duplicate to with others. If he is not interested, if he is not worried about knowledge, then please don't encourage him to join with this platform, because we want maximum working people. If we are really working with this platform, we can earn millions of, my dear friends. Hope you all understood this plan. And if you have any doubts, you can please contact me personally. I have a separate YouTube channel, in that also you can contact me. And hope you all understood this plan. If you have any confusion, please contact me personally. I will guide you step by step. Thank you all, my dear friends. Thank you.